Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of precision slicing with what many are calling the best carving knife for brisket on the market. The Cutluxe Slicing Carving Knife. If you're serious about your barbecue game or simply enjoy carving up a delicious roast with precision, this knife might just become your new best friend in the kitchen. Let's talk features. The Cutluxe Slicing Carving Knife boasts a 12-inch blade crafted from premium German steel. But what does that mean for you? It means you're getting a razor-sharp edge that's perfect for effortlessly carving through brisket, turkey, ribs, and more. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, you'll appreciate the precision of this knife's hand-sharpened edge, angled perfectly at 14 to 16 degrees per side. This means you'll achieve consistent, clean slices every time, without any tearing or shredding. Now, let's talk about comfort and durability. The Cutluxe Slicing Carving Knife features a full tang ergonomic design with a luxury packawood handle. What does that mean? It means you'll enjoy a comfortable grip and absolute stability, even during extended carving sessions. Plus, the handle is triple riveted for added durability, so you can trust it to withstand the test of time in even the busiest kitchens. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. This knife is crafted from high-carbon German steel, engineered to perfection at 56+ Rockwell hardness. Translation? It's rust and stain resistant, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty against material or workmanship defects. That's peace of mind you can carve with. So, whether you're slicing up a succulent brisket for your next backyard barbecue or preparing a holiday roast for the family, the Cutluxe Slicing Carving Knife is here to elevate your carving game to new heights. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy carving!